Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 38. We're going to talk about adjectives today. It's a very important topic, as you will figure out at the end of this lesson how important it is. In English language, when we describe something, for example, we say the new house. If you say the new house, the new comes first and the house comes after that. In Arabic, the noun comes first and then the adjectives come after that. The adjectives in Arabic language is called sifa. And the noun that is described with the adjective is called mawsuf. So if we want to say the new house, we're going to say al-baytu al-jadidu, the new house. The adjective and the noun described must match in the Arabic language in 4 aspects. The first one is number. If the noun is singular, the adjective must be singular. The noun is plural, the adjective must be plural. In gender, if it's a male object, adjective must be male. Female object, the adjective must be female. And we'll look at all of these variations. If it is definite, the noun is definite, adjective must be definite. So if it's got al, we have al. Indefinite, both have to be indefinite. And then the case ending, dun, dan, din. Both of them here end with a dhamma, al-baytu, al-jadidu. So here we have definite, singular, male, and marfu, ending with a dhamma. Here, the same example. So it's singular, male, definite, marfu, ending with a dhamma. If we put fi and we remove the al from in front of the bait, so fi baitin jadidin. Singular, male, indefinite. So baitin jadidin, in a new house. Majroor, both of them have kasra. Because of this fi harf jar, it puts kasra in the noun, and similarly the adjective must also have a kasra, majroor. The next example, fi buyutin jududin. So buyutin is plural and judud is plural of jadid. So we have here plural, male, indefinite, and majroor. So have a kasra. Next example, as-sayyaratu al-jadidatu. So here it's singular, female. So as-sayyaratu al-jadidatu, al-jadidatu. Okay, definite, both have al, and marfu, both have dhamma at the end. Inna, this should be inna, fatha on the noon. Inna sayyarata al-jadidata. So inna puts a fatha. We haven't learned this, we will learn. But if inna comes in front of the noun, it puts a fatha on the noun. So if it has a fatha, then the adjective must also have a fatha. Inna sayyarata al-jadidata. Singular, female, definite, and mansoob with a fatha. Now we come to the first 3 verses of Surah Al-Fatiha, and there is a lot of use of sifa and mausula in these 3, or sifa and mausuf in these 3 verses. Alhamdulillahi, so lillahi, the great name of Allah, lafdul jalala. This lam, li, puts a kasra at the end, and Rabbi again is a sifa. Allah is the Rabb, so Rabbi, and it's also mudaf, as we will see in the next couple of slides. Rabbil Alamin, we will come to this. So Rabbi is mudaf, Alamina is mudaf ilayhi, but sifa is Rabbi. And then another sifa, Ar-Rahman, so Ar-Rahmani, you see, because The great name of Allah here, we wrote with a kasra at the end. Ar-Rahmani is a description, the most merciful. Ar-Rahimi, again, another sifa. Maliki, another sifa, right? So the difference between Ar-Rahmani and Ar-Rahimi, briefly, Ar-Rahman is Allah is most merciful within himself. And Ar-Rahimi is Allah is going to show this mercy to whomever Allah wills. Maliki Yawmiddini. So Maliki again is the owner. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sifa. Maliki is mudaf and al-yawmi mudaf ilayhi, and it is also mudaf and ad-dini, owner of the day of judgment. So possessive case, right? Owner of the day of judgment. Okay, so let's try to look at this sentence a little bit more. This is one sentence. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin. Now, this is in 3 different ayat and it should be recited with pause. That's the proper way of sunnah way of reciting it, not together. But these 3 ayat, because the Quran is the way Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told us where the ayah ends and begins. The same ayah may have more than one sentence, and multiple ayat combined together could be one sentence as we have here. So we have Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmiddin. It's one sentence. When we recite these 3 ayat separately. So here, this is a jumla ismiya because it starts with a noun, alhamd. So alhamdu, right? So there should be kasra here. You make sure, yeah. There should be a kasra here, alhamdu. Alhamdulillahi. Alhamdu is mubtada. Lillahi, the great name of Allah. Jar majroor. So harf jar is li, and then the ism is majroor, and this is shibhu jumla. This is a phrase, lillahi, and it's khabar of this sentence. So this is a complete sentence. Alhamdulillahi mubtada, and we have khabar. Then we have Rabbil Alameen. Rabbi is sifa, and it is mudaf. Alamina mudaf ilayhi. Ar-Rahmani another sifa. Ar-Rahimi another sifa. All of these sifa are matching the first noun which we are describing, the great name of Allah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahimi Maliki, again another sifa, and it is mudaf. Al-Yawmi is mudaf ilayhi, and Al-Yawmi is also, Yawmi actually is also mudaf, and then Ad-Din. Ad-Dini should be an alif here. Ad-Dini. Maliki Yawmiddini. So this is mudaf ilayhi. Again, let's take a look at the mudaf ilayhi relationship here. Now we know mudaf does not take al, but that doesn't mean that it is indefinite, because all proper nouns are definite. So the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is definitely a definite noun. All proper nouns, all names of human beings, they are all proper nouns. All Allah's name, the great name of Allah, definitely proper noun. So this is definite. Rabbil Alameen, we cannot put al in front of Rabbi because it's mudaf. Mudaf does not take al, but it is definite because Alamina, Rabbul Alameen, Rabbil Alameen, the Lord of Alameen, all that is in existence. Allah is the Lord of it, all of it. So this is mudaf ilayhi. So Rabbi is mudaf, Alamina mudaf ilayhi. And Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim is sifa. Maliki is again mudaf, and Al-Yawmi mudaf ilayhi, and it is mudaf. And then Ad-Dini mudaf ilayhi. Now this video has a lot of information and very valuable information, and I suggest that you watch it a few times to get a grasp, because now you have come to a place where you can understand these verses with some depth, right? And the only thing that is not completely explained to you is the alamina. Why does it have a fatha at the end? We will come to that inshallah. Okay, so with that we ask Allah's help to understand the verses of the Quran. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik wa ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.